Okay, hi, it's me, Angie. We're here on YouTube as Angie Maddie. So today's video is going to be really exciting because we are going to be swatching and doing a little mini look on the Rustic palette from Melt Cosmetics. And it looks like this, and it looks so pretty. This was definitely a splurge for me, but I definitely wanted it. So pretty, and plus Melt Cosmetics has so many good palettes that I just want them all, but if only they weren't that expensive. But yes, so let's get started on this. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on my social media down below. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is the swatches. Excuse the squared right here because I guess it got messed up from myself. So the first one we're going to swatch is Classic, and it looks like this. The second one is Antique. The second one is Erode. Oh, look at that. It's very creamy. The next is Rubbish. The next one is Tarnish. Then we have Rust. Oh, look at that. This is just one swatch, y'all. Then we have Redox. Then we have Mal or Mar. Then we have Ravage. And finally we have Rot. Oh my gosh. And that's all of them, as you can see. Oh my gosh, this is just one swatch. This one kind of got classic. So again, we have Classic, Antique, Erode, Rubbish, Tarnish, Rust, Redux, Mad, Ravage, and Rot Squared. Okay, so I primed my lids with the Milani eye primer, and so we are going to be using this little look today. And I have my brushes over here. Three of them I got from BoxyCharm. These three I got from BoxyCharm, and this one is from the Nebula Noir with both. So we're gonna use Classic all over the lid. Okay, and then we are going to take with the elf brush, we're going to be using Rubbish all over the place. Okay, then we're going back to this brush, and we're going to be using Rust on the outer crease. Okay, so and then we are kind of want to use a road, but I feel like it'd be too much. So we're going to be using this brush. And then we're just going to be using a quick little look. And then we're going to be using we're going to be using Redox as our glimmer shade. And so we're going to put all over the lid. So this is our look, and I'll be back with the rest of my makeup to finish the look and give you my review. Okay, hey guys, so we're back with the look. We are now going to be taking back the palette and taking Rust and going it under the lid. So okay, so this is our look. Okay, so overall I think this is a really good palette. As you can tell by the swatches, it's really good, and the blending, it's so good. It is $58 on Sephora as well as on their website. I'd say if you can get it, or if you want this as a gift, definitely ask for this. I suggest, definitely so good for if you like neutral and warm colors. This is so good. As well as check out their other palettes. Yeah, so that's my take on this video. I really like it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what are your thoughts on any other Melt Cosmetics palettes. Let me know if there's any eyeshadows you want me to try out. And yeah, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Adios.